welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna go to Phoenix with my besties, Kyra and Beanie. So right now my mom has come to pick us up and we're gonna go to my house first and we're gonna get ready, eat lunch and all, then we'll go to Phoenix. So guys, we're currently in the car and these are my besties. So guys, we've reached my house. So like we're gonna change, eat lunch, then we're gonna go to Phoenix. And this is my brother. And this is my mom.
Sick. Oink oink.
6, 7.
Stand-ups. Hey, this can't be fast because we're gonna sit down. I will make with my iPad and then I'll send it to you, okay? You just crop the beginning part when I say, hey guys, my channel and stuff.
Yeah.
So, making beats for a boring dumb chick, freaking gnarly. Now don't talk to me. You're gnarly. I'm not. Just show up my mansion. Yeah, the view is really gnarly.
We're in the car. We are heading to Phoenix Citadel Mall.
And we are so excited.
Like so excited.
So guys, we've reached Phoenix.
We are at the parking currently and we're so excited.
The first stop is
Miniso.
this shop is like literally so cute.
I know.
So
Amazing.
far we've decided on this scalp massager.
I have
We don't
like
know.
one already, so I'm not gonna go.
But we don't know. We're thinking. Yeah. I got it.
Wait, let's do it again.
So let's show you all of our orders. I got taro. I got Oreo.
Yeah. I got classic or coffee.
And my brother got mango.
Slay.
So we are gonna be comparing this taro to the Ridhama's taro.
So yeah.
Let's smell it first. Put the camera on. Hey, this matches. Hey, look. So good. Let me. Of course, beautiful as always. You? It's honestly kind of accurate. It's so accurate. Realize you did a good job with
Like
the
a
scent.
great job.
A
Great.
good job with the
Amazing.
scent.
Alright.
Wait. First, let's explain what happened to me and Ridhama's faces.
Oh well.
So basically, we came from the mall, and guess what her friends did? Her friends attacked her, and I was like, great. I took some color as well, and I attacked her. Then one of her friends, who's also my friend, came and I attacked her too. So all of her friends teamed up and they attacked me. And she ran away before it happened.
No, this
She
is
ran
right.
away.
This is a
Want
new
a hug?
shirt. No,
You want a hug?
No hug.
You want a hug?
No hug. This is a new white top, and I'm not planning to wear this.
But
one.
anyways, we're gonna do a whole time.
Also, we're gonna do Holi celebration on 4th at Ridhma's house again. That's when you guys are gonna see me in color.
Yeah, we're gonna
Okay,
take her picture.
So let's start.
let's start with new me.
Okay. So I got this
Nothing.
top.
While she didn't get anything from while I got this beautiful like bow necklace. I'm gonna wear this every day to school. And look at like the necklace combo I have on right now. But my clothes are also like really bad, so I
Yeah.
look like a monster. But And then let's introduce Mini. So,
Yeah.
Bini can go first because she didn't.
I got this Aries keychain.
Show it properly on the camera.
Aries keychain. This clutcher, because all the clutches I have do not fit my hair, even though I have shorter hair than her. Then sticky notes, just because why not?
Yeah, okay. So me and Ridhima twinned and we got the same hair massager because this is really good for your hair.
It makes your hair grow faster.
Grow very faster
it
and
increases
looking
blood
at my hair, I need it.
Yes, she does.
Looking at her hair, like why do you even want
Why do you
this?
want that?
Help your hair.
I need it, but
She
I
wants
don't
to be Rapunzel. Then she will go flower gleam and glow. Let your power shine.
Okay, then from Shopper Stop, I just got this
She's
Maybelline
the
New
only
York
one that got
lip
anything
liner.
from
Yeah.
Shopper Stop.
I've heard such good things about
And
this.
it's very long lasting. We tried it on her. It was really
like this is the lip liner thing. Like I played Hori, colors came on me, and still it's like there.
There.
Okay. So
Now Nykaa.
Now let's talk about Nykaa. Here
Our
is the
favorite
packaging.
place. I spent half of our money.
Yeah, we spent half our money in Nykaa. This came with a cute bow. I'm keeping this.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can start. Yeah.
Okay.
The oldest touch.
I got
Oldest first, Macne last.
I was trying to get as many stuff I could, but I didn't have enough money, so I got 3 Laneige. One is raspberry jam. Then
It's the new lip serum with the donut shaped applicator.
It's
It's
so
so
satisfying.
squishy.
I have like the chocolate frosting already, but I got this one.
Yeah.
Then
We
I
introduced
got-
her to chocolate.
Yeah.
No, she introduced me, then I introduced her.
And now I'm also obsessed with Laneige. It's an obsession. Then berry.
No, it's not an obsession. It's a hobby.
It's a hobby.
It's a hobby.
A berry one and then vanilla one. These two are normals and this one is donut and I have another chocolate.
To be
frosting
honest,
also.
I'm looking now. She got the most stuff from Nykaa, 3 stuff.
Yeah.
She got 2 stuff and I got only 1. Like, look, I am the youngest and I got the less.
She wanted to get Sodas and
You're the matinee
40,
girl.
but it was out of the budget.
It was way out of the budget. I wanted a Sol de Janeiro in the scent 40, but it was way out of budget. But I was like, I'm a sincere girl, so I'll only get one. And my parents, and I'll make my parents proud.
Oh, we-
Ridhama's turn.
So I got the raspberry jam with donut serum from
We
Laneige.
trained. There were only 2 left.
There were
So
only
she
2
didn't
left. They
have one.
betrayed me. They betrayed you guys. Backstabbed
I
me.
checked out first, so
I hate you.
And then I saw this at the last minute. It's like the Morphe Plus. It has like a highlighter, cream plus, and a powder plus. I'm so excited to try this.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm okay. Next, I got only one thing. The Huda Beauty Lip Liner. This is in the shade Deep Rose. This is so good, guys. Like, it is amazing. I love it already. I use this as my touch-up and... yeah, as you can see, I am the most sincere one out of all of them.
You're the youngest and yours.
Let's count everything we got and like let's see. So I got 3 stuff. I got 3. How much did you get?
I got 6.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things.
And the rest we spent on food.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we went to Fat Tiger and we got
Boba.
I know the name
Boba
sounds
cheese.
the
Boba
name.
cheese.
No
Wait.
way.
The name sounds so bad. Fat Tiger. So we got.
But it has the best boba ever.
It has best boba.
It
If you
and if
live
you
in-
go get the taro one.
and as you can see, how many stuff did you have?
6.
5.
3. I'm the most sincere and I'm the youngest. Justice for Kyra.
You the one who wanted a 10,000 budget?
Yeah. You're the one who wanted the 10,000 budget.
So yeah.
Magna
So let's
for
say
everything.
all we got boba tea.
No way.
So I got the Oreo cold coffee boba. The boba tasted so good. She hated the boba. She drank the cold coffee, but she didn't like the boba. So I had to drink the boba. Actually, I didn't have to. It was my choice. I loved the boba.
And I got taro bubble tea which half they both had.
Yeah, because see, we tried each other's, and I was like, okay.
I'm giving this.
Yeah. So we both drank half of hers, and then she was looking at us like, you could have got your own. So yeah. Anything else? Let's just show everything
Yeah.
and then end the vlog.